Jeremiah 33:14. Behold, days are coming, declares the Lord, when I will fulfill the good word which I have spoken concerning the house of Israel and the house of Judah. Thank you, God, for a good day today. Thank you, God, for courage today to speak my mind and communicate clearly in love and compassion. Thank you for fulfilling your promises, not only in those in Jeremiah's time, but in my life today. Thank you for Jesus and his example and guidance for me in my life today.